Have you ever stepped into a farm where majestic peafowls strut gracefully through lush green spaces, flaunting their dazzling, colorful plumage? Peafowl farming, it may sound unusual, but it's becoming a new and exciting trend in China. Farmers here are not just raising birds, they are uncovering a natural treasure with tremendous economic potential. Male peafowls, especially when they reach maturity at around 3 years old, develop magnificent tail feathers that most people can only dream of seeing. Every farm, every expansive garden, is designed to optimize the care and breeding of these living gems. Did you know that the value of peafowls doesn't lie in their meat or eggs, but in their extraordinary feathers? Peafowl feathers, with their shimmering hues of blue, gold, and violet, have long been considered symbols of royalty and elegance. The best part? These feathers don't need to be plucked from the birds. Every year, during the molting season, these precious feathers naturally shed, like gifts bestowed by nature to the farmers. They are then used to create art pieces, luxury decorations, or even high-fashion garments. Additionally, many farms have capitalized on the natural beauty of peafowls to attract visitors. People don't just come to buy feathers, they want to witness firsthand the mesmerizing feather dance performed by the proud male peafowls. Want to succeed in peafowl farming? Here are the secrets you need to know. Living space. Peafowls require spacious environments to move freely and display their stunning feathers. Each adult bird needs at least 100 square feet of space, with fences standing 6 to 7 feet high to prevent them from flying away. Diet. Peafowls are omnivores. They thrive on grains, insects, fresh greens, earthworms, and even small fish. Providing a well-balanced diet ensures that they develop the most beautiful plumage. Breeding environment. During winter, peafowls need a safe shelter, particularly heated perches to protect their sensitive feet. This is the key to keeping them healthy, especially during cold days. Breeding also requires meticulous care. Female peafowls typically lay 3 to 5 eggs, with an incubation period lasting 27 to 30 days. After hatching, the young birds need 3 to 4 years to fully develop their signature feathers. Peafowl farming is not just a business, it's an exciting journey of discovery. With the growing demand for peafowl feathers in fashion, interior design, and art industries, many farmers are turning their passion into sustainable profits. The valuable feathers collected annually during the molting season provide a steady source of income without causing harm to the birds. Moreover, opening farms to tourists offers an additional revenue stream that promises even greater potential. What do you think about this peafowl farming model? Could it be the key to unlocking a new path in modern agriculture? Stay tuned for more fascinating stories in the upcoming videos.